is Omodan Isibor. I'm a Quality Assurance Associate. Being a Quality Associate in Bridge entails monitoring activities in academies and ensure everybody is doing according to what we expect, and then sending feedback to the organization. On arrival, make sure the environment is safe and hygienic for pupils to learn. I always look out for the infrastructure to ensure that everything is working. Children have playground equipment to play with, and a situation whereby there are damages, issues here and there, I promptly report it back to head office to ensure repairs are done as appropriate. So we check materials are available, pupils are able to use the expected material. The survey to go is an application that we use in gathering data as we see on the field. So information gotten from the academies, we enter into the survey to go and submit. So at the back end, the information is gathered, we analyze it, and then actions are taken on it. So we don't just come in and rush out. We need to take our time, go through each class, go around the environment, brief the academy manager on our observations, because everything has to do with communication on our agreement, because we don't just come and then give out instructions or just come get a report, send that across and then move on. We ensure things work.